information and facts about Earth. Earth is the only planet not named for a mythological god or goddess. The other 7 planets in the solar system were named after Roman gods or goddesses. The gravity between the Earth and the Moon causes the tides on Earth. The rotation of the Earth is gradually slowing down. The deceleration of the Earth's rotation is very slow, approximately 17 milliseconds per 100 years. Earth's atmosphere is composed of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and trace amounts of other gases, including argon and carbon dioxide. The large amount of oxygen on Earth comes from our plant life's consumption of carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. Earth has a very powerful magnetic field. This field protects the planet from the effects of solar winds, and is believed to be a result of the nickel-iron core of the planet combined with its rapid rotation. The Earth has an ozone layer which protects it from harmful solar radiation. This shell is a special type of oxygen that absorbs most of the sun's powerful UV rays. 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by water, the remainder consists of continents and islands, which together have many lakes and other sources of water. The first life on Earth developed in the oceans through a process called abiogenesis or biopoiesis. Earth's water was initially trapped within the planet. Over time, the Earth's water was brought to the surface by the planet's volcanic activity. Earth has relatively few visible impact craters compared with other solid bodies in our solar system. The highest point found on Earth is Mount Everest, which reaches the height of 8.8 km. The lowest point on Earth is called Challenger, deep and at 10.9 km below sea level. It is further than the peak of Mount Everest. Earth has one of the most circular orbits of all the 8 planets. Its axis of rotation is tilted 23.4 degrees away from the perpendicular of its orbital plane, which produces the seasons we experience. A year on Earth lasts just over 365 days. It is actually 1/4 of a day over 365 days, which is why we have a leap year every 4 years. Earth is the most dense planet in the solar system. Earth's crust, but the average density of the planet is around 5.52 grams per cubic centimeter.